Welcome back to another exciting video today. My name's Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so I have a strong buy today. I have a company here that you should be on the hunt and on the lookout for, and it is going to be TERP, or TERP, TerraForm Power. Now, this is a $16.69 stock to buy right now at the moment. 44% of analysts are saying that it is a buy, and almost 7,000 people on the Robinhood app own it right now as we speak. Now, guys, TERP is a very interesting company. In the last year, it's gone up 48%. And in the last 5 years, had a listed on October 17th, 2017. So in the last couple years, it has actually gone up 36% with a slight dip when it opened initially. But guys, with a 1-year progress of 48%, I don't see it slowing down anytime soon. Now, for everyone that doesn't know, TerraForm Power Inc. engages in the acquisition of renewable energy assets. It operates through solar and wind segments. Now, that pretty much says it all. So, CEO is John Steinbach. He founded this company in 2014 in New York, and employs close to 200 people at his company. He has $3.5 billion market cap, so he definitely has money to play around with, and a dividend yield of just under 7%, average volume of 862,000 per day. And for everyone wanting to know what the PE ratio is, I was wanting to know. It's saying that the PE ratio right now is about a 70, which is pretty good. They're saying that the estimates for 2019 is in the negatives of 141, 20 negative 84, and in 2021 it'll be in negative 42. So it's definitely coming back from some of the investments and things that it has made. Now, moving back on to some of the awesomeness of this company, TERP has a 38% higher price paid right now. The average price paid was around $12. Now, you guys can't even get in on that for $12 if you wanted to. It's at $16.69 now, which beats its 52-week high of $14.45. This company is just growing, guys, and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. Like I said, 44% of analysts out of 9 of the ratings are saying it's a buy, 33% are saying hold, and 22% are saying to sell. Now, this company does have a earnings of around 5 cents or so. It doesn't look like it's a heck of a whole lot, but it looks like they came back from the dead with a negative 16 cents per share back in a Q3 2018. Now, Q1 2018, it looks like they were making about 56 cents per share. Not too sure what happened there. Do your research on this company. Now, guys, this company does pay almost a 7% dividend yield, so let's bring up the dividend history here on the NASDAQ. 2014, it initiated its first dividend payment of 17 cents, and then basically doubled to 27 cents, 32 cents. Pretty awesome. In October 2017, it gave a payout of nearly $2 per share to its shareholders, and had a nice bounce back of 19 cents. And now the last most recent dividend payments have been 20 cents, or 20 cents per quarter, which is pretty awesome. So August 30th, 2019 was its last payment of 20 cents per share, which isn't bad on a $16 company. Not sure if that's going to go up or down as the company increases, but I'm sure it's going to do nothing but increase. Now, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Remember, you could always comment down below and ask me to do a video like this on a stock or company that you have your eyes on. Alright, have a great day.